craving lasagna but don't have time? Let me show you a quick version. Add some oil to a pan. 1 pound ground meat. 1 bell pepper. This isn't a classic recipe. You know, lasagna isn't just pasta with meat. It actually has a longer history than you'd think. Dice it finely, no rush. Let's mix our ground meat. Finely chop 1 garlic clove. Back in ancient Rome, they made something similar. It was called laganum, layered sheets of dough, but no tomatoes, no cheese. A completely different story. Add the garlic to the meat. The lasagna we know today was created in Italy, in the Emilia-Romagna region, in the city of Bologna. 1 tomato. And they take it seriously there. The classic version includes bolognese, sauce, beet, chamere sauce, and pasta sheets. No, just throwing in whatever's in the fridge. 2 tbsp tomato paste. Add it to the meat. Mix well. And by the way, the cheese isn't always what we're used to. Often it's Parmesan, not loads of cheese. Subscribe. I've got lots of easy recipes. Add the tomato and bell pepper to the meat. But honestly, at home, things work a little differently. Some greens for color, use whatever you like. Add a little water. Salt. Black pepper. It's boiling. Let's layer the lasagna sheets, because the real magic of lasagna is making it your own. Cover with a lid and cook until done. This step is important. Want more cheese? Go for it. Want it quicker and simpler? No problem at all. So today I'm making a no-fuss version. What an aroma! But the taste, you'll get it. Let's taste it.